In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show followers on Facebook profile. By the end, your follower count and follower list will be visible right on your profile, so anyone who visits can see it. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account you want to edit. We'll be using the in-app settings, so everything happens right on mobile. From the home screen, tap the menu icon. Depending on your device, it's usually the three horizontal lines in the bottom right on iPhone or the top right on Android. In the menu, go into Settings. On some versions, this may appear as Settings and Privacy first, then Settings. If yours looks slightly different, don't worry, the options we need are the same. Next, scroll until you find Audience and Visibility. Open that, then choose Followers and Public Content. This is where Facebook controls who can follow you and how that information appears on your profile. Now tap Who Can Follow Me and set it to Public. Public means anyone on Facebook can follow your public updates without sending you a friend request. If you only see friends as an option here, that's a sign your profile is still set up as a personal profile. With recent Facebook updates, letting the public follow you requires turning on professional mode, sometimes called creator mode. If that's the case for you, tap Try Professional Mode and follow the prompts. Facebook will guide you through a quick setup. This doesn't turn your profile into a separate page. It simply unlocks tools like professional dashboards and, importantly, the ability to allow public followers. Once you finish, come back to followers and public content so we can finalize the visibility settings. Confirm that Who Can Follow Me is now set to public. Just below, find who can see your followers on your profile and change that to public as well. This second setting is what actually displays your followers on your profile for others to see. If you prefer more control later, you can always return here and switch it back to friends or only me. That's it. Your follower list will now appear on your profile, and going forward, anyone who visits your profile can see how many followers you have and who they are based on their privacy settings. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more quick Facebook tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.